subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Our YouTube channel, Sir Abdul Sattar Khan. Spoken English, Independence Day speech, speeches for students, short English speech. Let's begin. Let me begin by wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. India is a country of various religion, caste, culture and tradition. We are a country of unity and diversity. Independence Day brings all Indians, irrespective of their caste, culture and creed, together. After 200 years of British rule and slavery, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India, and his first words at the stroke of midnight were, "Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom." We honor our great freedom fighters in the national celebration of Independence Day. This day teaches us the importance of patriotism and strengthens our unity irrespective of any differences. We remember all the struggles and sacrifices which our ancestors did for the country, India. Schools and colleges arrange different cultural programs with song and dance programs on patriotic songs. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.